your elbows right here. What you're going to do, same motion as you do as a crunch, reversing, except you're standing. Vertical elbow knee twist. Just made that up. Isn't that cool? Anyway, here you go. 5 times. 1, 2. What you want to build up to, that. But you have to build up to it. Okay? If you try it and you're not ready, you'll pull your back out. Good job. We were right here. Bend down a little bit. Breathe in. Go up. This time, add a bit of a jump to it. Okay, here we go. Good. Breathe in. 2. Breathe in. 3. Breathe in. 4. Breathe in. Next one. It's called the vertical crunch. What you do, hands right here. Breathe in deep in your abs. Okay? Then slightly over. Breathe out. Come back up. Breathe in deep. Slightly over. Come back up. Breathe out. Breathe in deep. Slightly over. Come back. Breathe out. That's where it looks like you're pregnant, right? Like you got a big old ball in your stomach. Basketball. Breathe in. Bend over slightly. Back up. Breathe in. Try to touch your belly button to your back. Bend over slightly. Come back up. Breathe in. Bend over slightly. Come back up. Breathe in. Good. Next one. Just a simple double thrust. Feet out a little bit past the knee. Hands here like this. What you're going to do, breathe in. When you come out, see that? Breathe in. Lock the elbows up. Do it slow at first. You won't pull nothing. 4. Next, 20 punches. What you're going to do, your palms are up in a fist position. You're just going to turn. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Extra moves, okay? Extra moves via stretching. What you do, hand against the wall. Simply come up, grab your knee, go out, go in. Some of you will only be able to go here, that's fine. Okay? You might even want to put your hand inside your knee, right? Out, in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Other side, make sure you use the wall. Right here. Out, in. There's 1. Out, in. There's 2. Out, in. 3. job. Raw.
You smoke trees when I eat them.